Okay, everybody, I'm back again. Right now, I'm going to show you guys how to install some cool extensions for Angular CLI. So here it is. We're going to go ahead and open Vscode. All right, so here we are. This is the Angular CLI. This is just the your default, but I wanted to share with you guys what good extensions you can actually install to the VS Code. So here's one. So it's one of them is called Angular Snips. This one here. This one is by Angular Snip. This is for version 9. I already have it installed on mine. So this is one good extension you guys can actually install into your VS Code. So this is another one here. The next one I'm going to do is Angular Files. This is another good one. I already have it installed. So if you want to create any components, you can actually do it from the actual file. And if you need more directions, you can actually follow the setup here. Here's another one that I think is very good. It's called Angular Language Essentials. Angular, oh no, sorry, it's Angular Language Service. There you go, service. This is another one. I already have it installed on my machine also too. This is another one. Yeah, so all these extensions are good, especially if you're creating a project. It'll speed up the process about creating new. This is another one here, auto rename tag. That's another one. And you want to do breaker. I think it's called bracket. Bracket. There you go. Bracket. This one. Bracket pair curvilize. This one. You want to pick two. This one has more. It has 5 stars out of 5. So I have this one. So I already have that installed. That's another one. That's another good one to install into the machine. And then you want to do debugger. Debugger for Chrome. All of these tools. Okay, so if you want to install that one, so if you ever get stuck, this one is perfect for debugging. And the last one, material icons. This one here. So it gives you like a nice little icon set over here on your files here. So it gives you like, and then actually it will help you determine what you're clicking on. So this one right here was just a small video, but I will come back. The next video we'll be installing Bootstrap and Font Awesome, and we're gonna create a navigation system into the page and so on. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.